that's it. Packaged really well. Again, shipped really well. It's in a clear plastic box. Well packaged. It's a SeaKnight brand. It says Blade Series on the box. Over here it says Professional VMC hooks from France. So packaged really well. Doesn't look bad at all. Not bad at all. This one here, 130 millimeters, so 13 centimeters. This is a pretty big one. It says on here 9 centimeters, 13 grams, but this is a pretty big one. So this might be good, really good for muskie too. But there you go. This thing is sweet. Basically, again, it's a knockoff Whopper Plopper. It's listed, it's marked on here again, SeaKnight on the bottom of it. It's got dual, like, steel VMC hooks. Kind of like a saltwater grade feeling hook on it. Right now, what they have on here, there are a number of different colors. It's got a really good description on here, too. Looking down here specifically, again, this looks like a listing for a smaller version of it. But this thing's really cool. It's got a lot of cool specs on here. Shows how they have the bearings, the counterweight, everything like that. And again, I did get this thing out. Just to give you an idea of it, the prop on it does, the tail spins really smoothly on this thing. This is kind of like a little walleye perch kind of pattern on it. When it sits in the water, it does a little bit, tiny bit tail heavy. As you work it, this thing throws up water just like a Whopper Plopper. This thing is really, really nice. Like I said, we got it out. Hard plastic body. It's got split rings on the nose of it and for both hooks. The tail is more of a rubberized plastic with a little bit of flex in it. So really nice. This thing works really well. Like I said, it's kind of big, kind of bulky. But that thing's really cool. I'll be taking this thing out for muskies and stripers. Probably get some big bass on it. Pretty darn cool lure. Especially for $5.39. So really, and I think I got free shipping on it this time. I actually ordered another one. I might get that one in a couple of days too. I think that's coming in. That's more of a clear color. We'll see how that one looks. And I might order a couple more, see what else I can find on there too. But there's not a lot of these out there. I didn't really see anything on eBay or Wish.com related to like a generic Whopper Plopper. If you go to eBay, you look up Whopper Plopper, they're starting, like over $10, $12, $13. But anyway, this one's like $5 and some change. Again, they're like $6 now, $6.50, something like that, with shipping now. But there's still a few of them left. I can shoot up the link here again for what they have for this one. But like I said, they changed the listing of it. But there are some more that are still out there. You just kind of got to search on AliExpress for them. If you search like Topwater lure, and you just start highest, like most expensive to cheapest, and you scroll backwards. When you get to about the $5, $6 mark, you'll start seeing them. But it's like a knockoff Whopper Plopper. This thing really works. So anyway, take a look at that if that's what you're looking for. Again, I always ask to deal locally. Deal with your local tackle shop. Buy American if you can. But if you're looking for something just kind of to play around and see how it works, or you're overseas, or just want to see what kind of deals you can get, it's kind of fun. So you'll see some more of these coming. I got a bunch of packages, some more e-packets down here I got to go through. But I wanted to go ahead and get this one out there. This one's cool.